case anybody was wondering what these blocks are, it was a silo. Used to stand right back there. We'll take a little garden tour here. It's February the 10th today, I guess. Not very February. Still have to take the plants down one of these days. Starting to get grass taken over. Gonna have to get out here and do a little turning. Seems like could probably get the rototiller out. Been out here trimming fruit trees today. With the old trusty Husqvarna multi-tool. Pretty handy thing for anything around the yard, really. Get a chainsaw attachment, the string trimmer, all that. But anyway, this here's a pear tree. Getting everything all trimmed back. Two pear trees there. This here is plum. Had to replant some. It's always a battle with the deer and whatnot, killing them off, but these are the original three here, and of course that pear and plum, I think it was 2012 planted them. So these arborvitae were here first. I planted them back in 2002. They were fairly good size already at that time when I planted them, but with any luck, we'll get a little better crop of apples this year. Well, we did have a lot last year, but I don't know, between the bugs and all the other problems, I didn't really get any too many good apples. Give it another try. Might try bird net around the plum tree. I think the birds pick off so many young plums that you end up with nothing. Stuff. A lot of buds and everything on there.